Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Newly appointed West Indies women's head coach, Jamaican Courtney Walsh, says that the recent 5-0 series loss against England shows that there are areas which need improvement. Renata Brown reports.
The former West Indies fast bowler was on Monday quick to dismiss concerns about his lack of experience working with women cricketers. Walsh, who worked with the team as an assistant coach in the past, says this should not affect his ability to improve the team.
For me, my philosophy is I'm a facilitator, so it doesn't matter who I coach. I did under 15, did under 19, did women, did Bangladesh men. What a lot of people probably didn't know is that I also helped out whenever I could with the Bangladeshi women. They would come and we would do drills and stuff together. So it's not unfamiliar territory.
Walsh says while there are issues to be dealt with immediately, he's aware that the current pandemic will have an impact on what the team will be able to do in the short term. He adds, however, that he will not be using the team's recent form to judge the players, as he will be looking to start with a clean slate.
So what I would love to be able to do is to sort of get a camp going at the earliest convenience for everybody involved, so I can start looking at the players, because I don't want to just take word of mouth from other people. I want these players that I want to have a person look at myself, see where they're at, and get a good guideline or a gauge as to where they can go, and who we need to sort of prolong with, who we need to sort of give specifics stuff to go and do, so we can get a little bit more technical with some of the players as well. So
one issue which will need immediate attention will be the lack of depth in the player pool.
Well, obviously, the more cricket you play or the more people in the region play cricket, the pool is going to be wider. So, and that's why I emphasize that. I think it's important for me to get some camps going in the meantime, so I can look at various players. You might invite 20 people to camp A and a different 20, or 10 from the last 20 and a different 10 to camp B. So you get a chance to see more players and to give them that exposure.
Walsh's appointment will take him to the end of the 2022 50 Over World Cup. The West Indies will compete in the World Cup qualifiers come next year. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.